Blogger Roundup. It's myOrganized.life live, November 2nd, 2018. First Blogger Roundup of November.
Ooh, can you believe it? It's
Yes.
November already.
That's right. Some of the people in the office are doing the Movember, where they're
Are they? Are you
growing-
going to do it?
I can't grow facial hair. It would be
Oh.
like a patch here and a patch here, and I'd come in and they go, "What disease do you have?" But I do support the cause, whatever
Nice.
the cause is.
Yes.
It's something to do with men and
Men's
health.
Yep.
Good, but that's not this show. This show is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
And this is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and on Friday we present Leanne's favorite show,
And yours.
Blogger Roundup.
Do you think people are sick of us doing that?
No, it's all part of the
It's the deal.
Yeah.
It's the thing that
It's
they
the thing.
expect us to
I
be
think
weird.
people look
That
forward
funny
to
guy.
Fridays. The funny guy.
Should we tell them that joke?
No.
No? Okay.
No, it's an inside joke. But
Someone
anyway,
called him funny in an
Yes.
email to me. Who's that funny guy?
Who's that funny guy? Yeah, who's that weirdo?
Weirdo is
I
probably
think-
what she
I
meant.
think She meant that. Funny was a nice way to say weird. I
Yeah,
guess, right?
exactly. Yes.
Oh well, but on Friday,
Fridays.
it's not all about us.
No, it's about
It's about you and the community.
Mm-hmm.
And we scour. No, I shouldn't say we. You scour. And you were a day ahead today because you had these done yesterday. You
I
said.
know. I did. I'm
Good. You're working on it. And I see you have a lot of your favorites
well, I know.
because they are faithful. Now, you have to understand that we just don't pick people because they're our favorites.
We pick
pick people who blog regularly.
Well, and we know these people because we've interviewed
Yes.
them a bunch of times, so it's just kind of what I'm used to looking for.
Right.
There are literally probably hundreds and hundreds of organizing
yeah.
blogs and services out there that I don't know about.
Right.
Because we just know about these people from NAPO or wherever. So we get
one
used
time
to.
we were accused of having Debbie Rosemont week because it was all Debbie
Who
Rosemont.
accused us?
I don't know.
You probably made that up.
I probably did.
Well,
You know,
yeah.
it's the ratings right now. We're trying to.
Let's see, November sweeps, right?
Yeah, and, yes, and you know,
In the news
we're
biz.
competing with all that election junk and all those
Yes,
dumb
we should
commercials.
start running ads.
Oh no.
John Hunt is a
Yeah.
whatever.
Yes. Did you realize Leanne Thompson years ago
I once
she worked in a bar
I
as
skipped school once.
Oh my gosh. No, we don't want to
Alrighty.
talk about my past. 'Cause
No, we don't want to talk
That's
about
why I
yours.
will never run for public office.
My record is pretty clean.
Yeah, mine's pretty dirty. So okay, we'll just leave it at that and
Okay,
we'll
but
move
we're
forward
past
because this
that
is
now.
a family show.
It is. Yes.
And so we have blogs this week from some of our favorites, but
Mm-hmm.
also from some of the best blogs. And if you have a blog and you're saying, how come you guys never feature blah, blah,
So-and-so.
blah? Well, that's what we have the comments for.
Because I am only one person, and I
yeah.
can't see every single nook and cranny
No.
of that
So you have
World
to help
Wide
us here.
Web.
If you want to bring, and don't be ashamed if it's your own blog.
Mm-hmm.
You know, get out there and push your own stuff.
Okay, so
All right.
before people lose interest, let's get to blogs.
Slide
First,
number 1.
The Shauna method. Shauna Turner, organizing tricks and treats. So to go with the Halloween
Yes.
theme of this week.
And last Wednesday's podcast on 5 frightful foes. So people might
yes.
say this is a Shauna Turner week.
Yeah, she's
that's
been
okay. She's
featured
busy.
twice. Yep. Okay.
Good.
So she is talking about her organizing tricks, and then
Oh.
the treats are the rewards. So there's no way I can go through this entire list because look at
Oh my
it's
gosh.
small font and
Another
it's,
one of those in 3-point
well,
font.
you know what? I swear it's Windows 10.
Okay.
I'm blaming everything on Windows 10 these days.
Oh, I know.
I was late to our meeting yesterday.
Because of
Windows
Windows 10, right.
This is small font.
Windows
Windows 10.
10.
Windows 10. Bad.
okay.
Okay. Here are some organizing tricks. Put
Tricks.
items away in the moment.
Okay.
So, if you take off the shirt off the hanger, put the hanger
Put it
back.
away.
Don't just throw it on your bed, because then
Yes.
later you're gonna have to
Right.
hang it up anyway.
Yes.
Put it away
Deal
in the
with it
moment.
now, not later.
Ask yourself these questions when you're decluttering. Does it fit my life today? Would I buy it again today? Does it work?
Yeah, I like that. Would I buy it again?
I love that one.
That's a good one.
I have been using that lately.
Yes.
Let's see. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes at the same time every day for planning.
Okay. Like a
Let's-
planning block.
Yeah, planning
good.
block. Let's see. Write reusable bags at the top of your grocery list so you'll remember to get them out of the car before you
Oh yeah.
go into the store to buy your groceries. Do you guys use reusable
Of
bags?
course
I
we
don't.
do. Yeah. My wife's got one of those ones that folds up to like about this big and she puts it in her purse.
Oh wow.
And then We get to
Well,
the
don't you-
checkout.
you
She
guys-
goes, "We have our own bag." And she pulls this thing out.
Well,
folds
how
it.
does all the groceries fit in one bag?
Oh no, we use. She has several.
Okay, I was gonna say.
But she has several of those. Plus, we take in the all the ones you get at the trade shows.
Yes.
So yeah, we have lots of those bags.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Unfold paperwork before filing it to minimize bulk.
Oh, that's a great idea.
That is a good idea. So you don't have the envelopes just shoved in there.
or you have the folders that kind of have big, small, and it goes like that.
Yeah. Let's see. Store only the clothes that currently fit you in your main closet. If you want to hold on to clothes that are plus or minus a size, keep them in a less prominent location.
Oh, okay.
So you're not having to dig through those when you go through your regular clothes.
Yeah, another good one.
Let's see. When you think you are out of space, look up. A couple of hooks or shelves can go a long way.
Right over there.
Yep, could
Right
be.
up there. Yeah.
And let's see.
One more.
One more. Okay.
Because otherwise, we're
I
going.
know,
This is
I know,
going to
I
be
know. I know, I know,
going
I know, I
into
know.
Saturday.
Okay. When decluttering with kids, ask them what they want to keep rather than what they want to get rid of. That's a good one.
Aha.
Okay.
Reframe it. Good.
Yes, and
Oh,
then she has some of the rewards of being organized after you go through that entire list. You'll have a clear desk when you go to sit down. You'll walk into a clean, serene space.
sounding
and-
good.
You no longer feel guilty about unsorted piles, boxes, and bins.
Awesome.
So.
Let's put the slide up again. The ShaunaMethod.com. Organizing tricks and treats. Okay.
Alrighty.
Next slide, we have our friend at Organizing Maniacs, Chris Grott. And this is 4 winter organizing tips before the snow flies.
winter. You're obsessing about winter
I
coming
know,
in a bad way. I mean, because you don't want it to come. So
you know what? I want it to come fast and go fast.
okay, got it.
So
So you want it to snow today,
Well, not really.
and
Although
end
the
in
snowblower is
April.
ready. No, I want it
Drew
to
has
like.
to get our snowblower ready.
You better get going
It didn't
on
work
that.
all last winter.
I actually, this is a little. We talked about this earlier this spring. I spent a couple months this year on YouTube, and I have rebuilt our snowblower. Now
rebuilt in the same
including-
sentence?
Yes.
Wow.
I'm telling you, there's probably about. I would say I've spent about $100 in parts.
Okay.
But it would have been $300 or $400.
Wow,
And
good for you.
it was a good satisfaction too.
Good.
Now the only problem is the last thing that I had to fix was that one of the tires was flat. So I figured, okay, I'll fix the tire.
Did it need a patch or a new tire?
Well, actually, I thought it needed a new tube because I
Okay.
watched on YouTube. They said, here's how you take the tube out of the tire,
Okay,
blah, blah,
got
blah.
it,
So I
got it.
do that, pull it out. Except when I'm going to pull it out, there's no tube in there. And then I realized it was a tubeless tire. I had already bought the new one. I figured, well, you know what? Maybe it'll work. So I worked and worked to try, if you've ever done these tires. I got the tube in, blew it up. Everything, I'm feeling okay. At least I was able to refit that, retrofit it.
Okay.
Except about 2 days later, the thing
Flat.
was empty. So I don't know what I'm
Well,
going to do.
that
But
might be an easy
It will
fix this
hold
year.
air for a couple days. So
Good.
at least if I can blow it up before I use it, and then I don't have to
Yeah.
worry about it till the next time. And hopefully we won't have to use it that much.
Yeah, right.
I'm
hopefully
hoping
not.
for like some global warming or something to happen
To
in
affect-
Minnesota,
yeah, that
so
would be
that
nice.
we could have be wearing T-shirts in January. Good luck.
Yeah, well, if you don't have a snowblower, you will be wearing a t-shirt because you'll be out shoveling manually and you'll get hot.
Yes.
And you'll strip down to a t-shirt.
That's true. That's true.
That is
Now,
a true story. If you
For those of you who
watch
want to be
people.
organized, though, and be prepared before the snow flies, Chris Scott's saying the sooner you organize, the sooner you can sit back with your feet up in the front of the fireplace enjoying a cup of hot chocolate. She even has a picture of this, so you're going to have to go to the blog
Oh,
just
wow.
for that. It's
That's
kind of small.
pretty
I can't hold
serene.
it up. Oh, it's like, looks really
It's
nice.
nice,
The
yep.
little steam coming off the cup. So let's get some good practical tips. Number 1, have ice melt on hand. Do you do that?
Yeah, we have it.
Yeah.
We don't use it that much, but
No, I'll add to this tip here a
Okay.
little bit. My wife got one of these like kind of antique, I don't know if it's a milk, something from a farm kind of thing, and we have it in there, so it's kind of with a little scoop.
Oh.
So that way we can just put it
Fancy.
out there.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
it looks very retro or whatever you want to
Okay.
call it. Okay,
Got
so
it.
ice melt on hand.
Okay.
Swap out your doormats and put the winter doormats in. You need heavier
Oh,
mats
yes.
for winter.
Yes.
So we just got a new doormat though. So ours we have year round, and the one we had before was getting a little worn.
Wasn't.
So
Okay.
the new one looks good. So I think we're good
those
there.
boot trays are pretty nice too.
Yeah,
That you can
absolutely.
throw those slushy boots on there.
Avoid a drafty house. So winterizing is one of the most important steps of organizing. So You can replace sheer curtains maybe with insulated winter drapes, or maybe if you're in an older home, you got to do some of those
Do
things.
the saran wrap on the windows.
What do you use, a
Hair dryer, and I don't know. I've
Does
never done
that
it
work?
before.
I don't even know if that works.
I think my grandpa does it.
You have to go on YouTube and watch that and see how to do that. Stock up the pantry. Okay, that's a good idea.
In case you're stranded.
Yeah, if a storm hits
stranded,
unexpectedly, you may want to be able to hunker down and have some. What do you have? What would you put in your pantry? Like
macaroni and cheese.
Or chili, like those
soup.
cans of chili or something, or.
Sure.
Yeah.
Canned
you
chili.
Like that?
No.
Well, the macaroni and cheese.
Well, that sounds better than canned chili.
Yeah.
You could just have cheese ready and noodles, and then you pretty much have macaroni and cheese.
Yeah. Or
butter.
you could be like those preppers and get 2 months of freeze-dried. What is that stuff they have there? I mean, they have everything like freeze-dried ice cream, and all you do is add water.
Or you could just prep now and make a bunch of crock pot meals and have those ready and just put them in.
And start your donation pile. You'll start to hear a lot about clothing and coat drives, as well as donation needs from different families. This time of year, people say, hey, can you donate it? So get that stuff ready. Those are some tips. I'll put the slide up again. OrganizingManiacs.com for winter organizing tips before the snow flies. All right, our next slide up for our final blog from Ellen DeLapp.
Yes, and professional-organizer Ellen DeLapp.
Professional-organizer.com. Automated tools for home, work, and life.
Now, tell me, do you have one of the automated things like a Google Home or an Alexa or anything?
I
Okay,
don't.
this is all about that.
Ooh.
It's how basically those can help you.
Now, I don't know if I'd expect this from Ellen. I'd expect this from Deb Lee.
I know.
But Ellen, we'll see what Ellen has to say about...
So she basically talks about how these can help you in your home.
Yeah.
Make it more organized, basically, for yourself or answering questions. I got the Echo Dot for Christmas last year, and I had no idea what I was going to do with it.
Do you use it?
Yes.
What do? You say, what's the weather today?
No, I don't ask her questions like that, but I use it for setting timers.
Oh, okay.
It's great for when Natalie's on the iPad. I set Alexa's timer for 20 minutes, and when that timer goes off, I immediately know the crying will start because the iPad has to get shut off.
Oh, that's kind of good.
But she knows.
I use it on my phone. I have, Siri.
Okay.
But,
yeah. So that's kind of the same thing. So she basically says, here are some common commands.
Okay.
So if you have got the Google Home, the Google syncs to your calendar. So Google, tell me about my day. Google, add an appointment to my calendar. This and that. And then it will remind you. You can set it to remind you of when your meeting is going to start or whatever. And then some things Alexa can do, which some of these things I use, like you can create a list. So I'll say, Alexa, add mayonnaise to my shopping list.
Oh, and it'll do it?
Yeah. So then you open the app up on your phone, and it'll have your...
But then when you're at the grocery store, you don't have your list.
Well, you can open it up on your phone, because it's all in the app. So you can go into and look at your shopping list, and then you can have her read you your list.
Hey, Alexa, get me 3 new blogs for Blogger Roundup.
That's true.
Can you do that? Train it to do that? Ooh.
I don't know. That would be nice.
That sounds like an interesting
and
option.
It connects to Amazon, so Alexa,
could buy
reorder
yes.
Toilet paper or whatever you do like that.
I'm sure.
And then let's see, I use it for, like I said, setting timers. You can set multiple timers. Alexa, ask random workout to pick a workout. So it just, all these things.
Alexa, can you do the workout for me?
I know, wouldn't that be nice?
That would be great.
Alexa, play sleep sounds.
The only weird thing about these devices is that they're always listening. So you wonder what they're, there's a lot of...
they've been involved in, cases,
what do they
investigations.
And, do they have, is there like, what do they hear? Because you might be talking about, something for
Alex.
getting a bike. Or, but they're listening even when you don't give them a command.
Right.
And then all of a sudden on your phone you start seeing ads for bikes. I wonder how that happens.
It's crazy.
It is a little sketchy. But this article is great, so we're going to put the slide up.
All right.
Automated tools for home, work, and life. If you can't beat them, join them. So
yes, I know. I didn't think
Professional-organizer.com.
Right.
On the lap.
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
Okay.
Alexa, I think...
It's time to end this show.
It's time to end
because we've gone on for a long time.
We've kind of gone on. We've had a lot of
stuff to talk about today. I know.
Friday afternoon, but that's good because Friday afternoons means
it's almost time to go
quitting
home.
time. We like that. So
Alexa, remind me when it's 4:00.
Yes.
So I can leave.
Alexa, have Leanne do the November calendar for the show because she's a little behind.
Yes, I am.
Oh, yeah.
You're right.
Okay,
So I have nothing. We have nothing on tap for next week.
Yes,
Yet.
except we do have a podcast.
Well, we have a podcast, of course.
But I'm
That's
not sure
a given.
because I don't have the calendar. I don't know which one it is.
Okay, well, I guess we'll have to.
I'll have to look at the big white board.
I'll have to see if I can cram that in before I leave today.
Well,
Do you think I can get it done in an hour
got a couple
and
hours.
a half?
Yeah, well, that's right. You have got really an hour and a half, but you have an hour because you got to prep for and this and then
Yeah,
you
and
gotta
debrief with you.
debrief.
How'd that
It's
show
like,
go today?
You only have like 10 minutes before you got to do it in the next 10 minutes or it's
I
not
might as well
getting
just
done.
do it Monday morning then.
Yeah. Or what you do, if you want to know if she got the calendar done or not, come back on Monday, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, and noon Pacific right here on myOrganized.life live. Have a great weekend. Stock up on your favorite organizing products now at myOrganized.life. This is the perfect time of year to equip your office with file folders, expanding files, project organizers, and more. And introducing our new bright white folder line that coordinates with any office decor. It's easy, shop online, and it's delivered right to your office. Stock up now on your favorites with everything you need at myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. myOrganized.life.